Hello everyone, this is Paul with Juice Brothers Life Quest. Basically this is just going to be a quick video update. It's January 21st. It's a Saturday and this is the starting of the 6th day of my new juice fast for 2012. Basically over the first 5 days I've lost about an average of a pound a day and I'm already down 5 pounds. Started off I was 212 and I'm all the way back down to 207. So I got 1 more pound to go and I'll be caught back up to where I was before the holidays. So hopefully things keep going good and I'll keep going down and get under my 200-pound goal fairly shortly. But anyway, I'm starting off the day. I'm just going to get into some light exercise, and then after that I'll make some juice for breakfast and see what else we can do for the rest of the day. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, alright, I finished up my quick workout. Basically I just did a real easy, about an hour on the bicycle, and I did a bunch of sit-ups and also, lifted the dumbbells. But so far it's going pretty good, the diet. I'm getting ready to do my juice, but real quick I just want to show you one thing. Check this out. Since I started dieting in October, I've been wearing the same belt. I don't know if you can see it really good, but basically I was way out here when I originally started, and I actually went past all the notches. And actually I had to create like 4 notches in it so far. I just kind of wear this, just kind of a reminder of where I've started at and where I'm at, and it kind of gives me a good impression of how good I'm doing on my diet and losing weight. So look for little things like this, guys, for yourself, to encourage yourself or to kind of keep track. Weight on the scale isn't always the greatest detector of how you're doing on your diet. So anyone else who's dieting, just kind of look at other things. Don't only be set on that number. But anyway, I'm getting ready to start doing my juice for after my workout. Basically, I got some leftover mixed vegetables for stir fry. I'm just going to throw those in the juicer. There's broccoli, carrots, and some other shreds of, I think broccoli shreds actually in there. I'm going to be using some baby carrots, and I'm going to be using some apples. I usually get the smaller ones. That way I don't have to cut them and they'll fit right nicely inside the tube. And also I'm going to be throwing some spinach in there. So it's pretty good juice. There's not a whole lot to it. Different ingredients, but it tastes really good because the apples pretty much give it the sweet flavor, but you're also getting the nutrients from all the other vegetables. So a lot of guys, that haven't done the juice dieting before, they wonder if you're going to be real hungry and stuff like that. Actually, for me, it doesn't seem like I'm very hungry as long as I drink enough juice to get my stomach full. And it usually, fills me up like a regular meal, so it hasn't been too bad. Usually the worst thing, I guess, when doing the juice diet is the first few days, maybe days 1 to 3. You do get a little bit of headaches, some people, just as your body adjusts. But I'm pretty much past that part. I pretty much feel normal now. So it's just eating the fresh fruits and vegetables and the juice, and just being able to have the willpower to continue on and not eat bad things while you're on that juice fast. So far, like I said, I'm averaging about a pound a day, which is pretty good. So I'm down 5 pounds already since I started on Monday, and I haven't weighed in yet for day 6 today. So I'll weigh in tomorrow and see how I did, and hopefully I can keep on that average. I'm sure it'll drop, as I start losing weight. You usually slow down a little bit, but hopefully I'll keep continuing and get to my 200-pound goal. Alright guys, looks like my juice is all done. Let's take it out, stir it up, and pour a glass. Okay, stir it up. Put the froth cover back on. Let's see how it tastes. Need a bit of green look to it, but it should be healthy and taste good. Tastes pretty good. Okay guys, that'll do it for day 6 of the juice fast for 2012. See you guys soon.